Right, so here it is, the old girl. A little tour of the van. So as you can see, the interior is totally different seats put in. I had to cut out some box section and raise them because they was too low. These are out of a Land Rover Discovery. Different door panels have been covered. Obviously hasn't got power steering because it's that old. So we have one of them roller things on it, which works out very well. Walking into the van, door to go out, obviously. Mat to wipe your feet. Let's start in the kitchen. Utensils, new sink with stuff in, new hob, tiled all round. That board's going to be thrown away. Storage, electrical system, turn that on. There. Right, storage up here. Loads of bits and pieces in. Little storage cupboard here. More storage here. Double socket. Fridge. Under the cooker. More storage. Microwave. Light switch. LED underneath. Walking round, we've got the toilet and shower. More stuff in. Little fan light up there. It's LED. Down here, diesel heater switch. Put that on. Diesel heater. In this cupboard, we have the diesel heater and the tank. We put a proper diesel fuel cap on the outside. Up there, we have the new gas heater, which is battery operated starter ignition. Very good, fantastic, and it runs off of butane. Pictures on the wall, more storage up there, more storage there, more storage there, more storage there, more storage there. Switch here for more lights. And the same over here. Behind here is a double bed. So we move that chair across to the door, put that cushion over to there, and then the bed just drops down, already made. Let's just do a little bit without moving anything. Oops. There you go, and there's the bed. And then that would just pull down. And push that back up again and lock it in. Underneath the seats, big water tank. And then on the other side, lift that up. You can see we've got hose to fill up and the leisure battery. Then under that seat, more storage, keep other bits and pieces. So there you go. 31 years old, looks like brand new inside. Let's turn that light off. And our TV there. Just a bit hard to do one-handed, but there we go. And then that can spin round any way you want to. And we just push that back up again, and it locks in, and it doesn't fall down even over all the bumps and that we go over. So there you go, a little mini tour of the Transit camper van. These are just pictures of places we've been. So, all done. Hope you enjoyed this mini video. And if you'd like to, subscribe and hit a like, please. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.